Hello everyone. Brinjal is the king of vegetables. Brinjal, it is delicious in whatever manner or whoever cooks, that turns delicious. So let us see how to prepare these brinjal, sliced brinjals today. So all we need is brinjal over here. Take larger brinjals rather than the regular ones. You can take green or else purple color, whatever of your choice, and then take a bowl and add drinking water to it, and then add 1 tablespoon of salt to it. Now wash the brinjals nicely and then slice them into circular shape like this. You need to have that much of thickness, otherwise your circles or the sliced brinjals, they turn soft and they'll break at the end. So remember, that should be of a little bit of thickness only, like this. Now add them into the salt water. If you add into the salt water, that doesn't turn bitter, otherwise they'll turn bitter, so remember that. And now take 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and then 1 tablespoon of salt, and then pinch of ginger garlic paste. Here I've taken salt 1 tablespoon, that was good for me. If you want, you can add it and check according to your taste. So mix all these 3 ingredients very nicely, and then drench all the water from the brinjal which we have placed in the water, and then dip it into the chili powder mixture, and then gently spread all that mixture around the brinjals like this. So you need to have a little bit of patience so that it is coated nicely on both the sides and also on the edges also. See, now like this, the chili powder and the salt should be coated nicely like this. See, like this, it's now nicely coated. Now repeat the same process with the remaining sliced brinjals also. Now once they are done, put it aside and take a pan or tawa and add or grease with some oil, and then place these circles or sliced brinjals one by one. Remember, your tawa, it should be in low flame only. Once you are done placing all the sliced brinjals, add oil on top of the brinjal slices and also on sides of them, and close it with the lid. You need to close it with the lid so that that will be cooked nicely without the vapor escaping out. So remember, you need to close it with the lid only so that it will help to cook faster also. Now flip it out after 1 minute, and then see, because I have cooked it on low flame, it took me 1 minute. So after flipping again, you need to add oil on top of it and on sides of it, and then see, you check for that whether the brinjal is cooked or not. Once it is done, it's okay. Otherwise, you can again add a little bit of oil on all the sliced brinjals, and then just close the lid and cover it for 30 seconds, and that's it. Your sliced brinjal curry is all ready. So see, here again I have added a little bit of oil. It is almost 90% done. So I've closed the lid and left it for 30 seconds on low flame, and that's it. My sliced brinjal curry is all ready. Rather curry, I must say it's a fry. It's best served with hot rice and hot rasam. If you have this combination, truly this is the yummiest curry ever. Trust me, this just takes you 5 to 7 minutes time only. So all you need is brinjal and hot rice and hot rasam, and you can enjoy this wonderful and delicious dish. So try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Bye.